Equip your team with our comprehensive professional toolkit, featuring precision-engineered hand tools including specialized pliers, cutters, wrenches, and drivers organized in dedicated positions for instant access and efficiency experience. Uncompromising safety with every tool individually tested to withstand 10,000 volts. AC and rated for 1,000 volts AC operation, providing essential protection when working on energized systems. Transport. Your complete collection with confidence in our lockable, watertight rolling case that secures valuable tools against theft, moisture, and damage in any work environment. Locate exactly what you need instantly. With our thoughtfully designed storage system where each specialized tool has its dedicated position, eliminating wasted time searching through disorganized toolboxes. Rely on exceptional durability from our rigorous heat treatment, manufacturing process that maximizes strength and extends service life. Even under the most demanding professional applications,